Today we'll be installing the Aquasure Fortitude Series whole house filter, covering the tools you'll need and walking through each step of installation. In this video, we'll be demonstrating installation using a single-stage system, but the process applies to all Aquasure Fortitude V whole house filters. To get started, gather the tools and materials required for installation. You will need a lubricant or silicone grease, an adjustable wrench, Teflon tape, a leveling tool, a pencil, and any tools and piping needed to modify your home's existing plumbing. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with all components of the filter system before beginning installation. Included in the box, you will find your filter, the housing unit with a bracket, wrench, adapters, and mounting hardware. Check for secure placement and correct water flow orientation at the site of installation. Ensure a minimum of 25 inches of clearance below the mounting bracket to allow for proper filter removal and replacement. Mount the filter to wall studs or solid framing to ensure the system is securely supported to handle the system's weight during service. Once you've chosen the installation location for your filter, confirm whether your water supply flows left to right or right to left. For proper operation, the Fortitude filter must be installed before any other water treatment equipment in your home, including softeners, UV systems, or water heaters. Locate the main water supply valve and turn it off completely. To confirm the water is shut off, test the nearest sink. If water continues to flow and cannot be shut off, contact a licensed plumber to repair the valve before continuing with filter installation. Next, we'll attach the mounting bracket to the filter housing. The filter cap is marked with in and out text indicators and arrows. Match the orientation of the inlet and outlet of your filter head with the direction of your home's water flow. If the orientation of your multi-stage bracket needs to be flipped, remove the screws on the housing and rotate the entire filter head module to change the direction of water flow. Align the mounting bracket with the holes on the housing cap and secure it using the provided bolts and washers. Tighten by hand and avoid over-tightening or using power tools. Now that the housing cap is secured to the mounting bracket, we're ready to mount it to the wall. Hold the bracket level against the wall at the mounting location, then mark the screw hole locations with a pencil. Mount the bracket to the wall using the provided lag bolts and washers. It is now time to attach the system to your home's plumbing. Wrap the supplied male threaded fittings with 8 to 12 wraps of Teflon tape before connecting them to the housing cap. Thread the adapter onto the housing cap, ensuring a snug fit without over-tightening. Attach the water supply plumbing to the in port and out port of the system. We will now install the filter and attach the housing to your system. After removing the filter from its packaging, place it inside the housing and center it on the standpipe at the bottom. Screw the housing with the filter inside onto the housing cap by turning it clockwise. Use the supplied housing wrench to tighten it snugly, making sure not to over-tighten. With the filter housing installed, we'll move on to system setup and final inspection. Begin by removing the aerator, or screen, from the nearest faucet before turning the main water supply back on. Run cold water from the same faucet for 10 minutes to flush out air bubbles or any loose debris. During this time, check all connections for leaks. After completing the 10-minute flush, turn off the faucet, reinstall the faucet aerator, and your installation is complete. For any questions about your system or installation, our US-based customer support team is here to help.